Welcome to the latest episode, Art Friends. On this occasion, we will explore the inspiring world behind the amazing fusion of modern art and technology. With the support of the visual AI voice assistant, we embark on an extraordinary journey that transforms simple ideas into unforgettable works of art. Every moment of this journey showcases the visual AI's four-dimensional intelligence, creating a perfect visual harmony between reality and fantasy. Let's together witness how the collaboration between human imagination and technological wonders shapes unique and innovative works of art. Don't forget to show your support by liking, subscribing, and leaving comments below. Together, we will explore this amazing world. Thank you for joining, and let's start this art and technology adventure together.
Selamat datang di episode terbaru, sahabat Rudi Xieng Art. Bersama asisten suara visual AI, kita akan menelusuri dunia seni modern dan teknologi. Dalam kolaborasi antara imajinasi dan kecerdasan AI, kita akan menyaksikan perubahan dari ide sederhana menjadi karya seni unik. Jangan lupa dukung kami dengan like, subscribe, dan komentar. Ayo merayakan keindahan kreativitas bersama-sama. Terima kasih atas partisipasinya.